convening of Politburo meeting chabondoka pangwa ino the ruling party ZANU-PF chinokonzi today kunokonzi the ruling party ZANU-PF is yet set to sit for a Politburo meeting. Pangwa ino kunokonzi the atmosphere it is very tense. Zviruitika the ruling party ZANU-PF akudani kana anonzwa kune makunugunu maudza moyo azvina kumira zvakanaka. Asati apinda masvikano mudanyo kopangwa ino don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Asati apinda with this information and publicity statement ramuri kuona iri tinoona mjati who posted this antakanyora achiti number 1 Politburo agenda mangwana. Number 1 say VP Chiwenga vasina kuya kumchato. Number 2 why was Mkanya Chiwenga at his farm. Number 3 say Varakashi suddenly silent. Number 4 in other business. Tuona kuti even the people outside of the ruling party ZANU-PF society chaos is erupting in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tipina the statement mubudanyo kwa mchenzi 26 May 2026 the Secretary General of ZANU-PF Comrade Advocate Jacob F.N. Mudenda advises members of the Politburo meeting to be held this Wednesday 27 May 2026 meaning today at 1400 hours. The meeting shall be held at the ZANU-PF headquarters. All members expected to sit by 13:45 sharp. Comradely, the vayasainiwa pangwa ine na Christopher Mshangwa. Doma developments arukuda pangwa ine kurikono kwanzi azvina kumira zvakanaka the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pangwa ine kurikono kwanzi pane ma factions as we are seeing kuti in the ruling party ZANU-PF right now. VP Constantino Chiwenga this faction they are no longer attending mangwa gatherings anenge achionekwanzi anenge ane matop ZANU-PF officials. Like the recent wedding, tikataza VP Constantino Chiwenga he boycotted vanhu attenda zvake his farm. Zvinyaskunuka kunzi panguva ino there are some people who are disengaging even on from their responsibilities vakutosiya nokuda kuti they can't associate themselves nevanhu vanoonekwa kunzi vane allegations of corruption, vanoonekwa kunzi they just do things zvinofavor evil, not the rest of the people they lead. When I comment section medu zofundo enyimuri kudipa mzoro pechitiko ichi. When I comment section medu subscribe or like, continue on the bell icon.